Good morning, friends. This is Sri Harsha from Crazy Money with Sri, and today is 20th of October. And let's see what is happening in the market and what is that we can expect in the market in the coming days. I've been telling you guys a lot more things. To know more, first and foremost thing is you like this video, hit on the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications. From the last few days, in fact from the beginning of the month itself, I've been saying stay away from the market, especially on the long side. You have seen corrections, though you may see that the index has moved up. Look at the prices of all your stocks. Most of the stocks have been trading at far lesser price than the uh, its all time high or whatever high it has made recently. So the biggest challenge right now is market is deceiving you, and you are getting deceived by the market assuming that the market is going to go up. Very unlikely market is going to go up. Market has shown so many corrective moves, not only in the Indian market, it's also in the global market scenario. In fact, you could see that European markets started correcting later half yesterday, and US market corrected quite a lot, and US market has given a confirmation for something which we call as a evening star pattern. So it's a very if a evening star generally happens, cycle changes usually happen. So it's a big whenever we see any big drastic move to happen, that is where this reversal pattern happens. It's a very strong pattern, and as long as we cannot move above yesterday's high on the US market, I don't see any reason for the market to move up. And today, if it is again a negative candle on the US market, it confirms it has already given us a signal. It is going to be more confirmed once that happens. The stimulus talk, whatever they are talking, is hardly 1/10 of the or a little higher than 1/10, 10 to 15% of the actual budgeted thing. So market is definitely not in any way happy about this. So I don't see anything, and even that may not get passed looking at the way they are actually acting upon. And that is what something which we have to be very careful about. And vaccines also may take time. So those are the reasons why actually things are showing the corrections. You may see that Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything corrected quite a lot. And if you look at the futures have corrected quite a lot on the European markets also. You may see now just some plus symbols. It's more of a deception, because it's not a plus, because yesterday the futures have corrected more than 1% plus in most of the markets. So little bit on the higher side you may see today. In the Indian market we may start flattish, or a little positive also is possible, but very difficult for it to sustain, because 11,000 see 11,800 whatever it made that there's yesterday we have closed above 11,800, and I see that as a false breakout which has happened. And this false breakout is only going to draw more retail investors, trap more retail investors, and they will get stuck there, and from here the selling will start. As per time based analysis, today is a day where there can be a big momentum which could happen. As long as today we close below 11,800, that itself shows that the weakness is already in the market. And if that is going to persist, probably it may go far below uh, 11,500 or 400. See, 400 450 is a place from where again there can be some bounce which we can see. See, there will be a lot of bounces which will happen, which will confuse you, which will make you feel as though market is going to go higher, but I don't see that happening. as long as the market is going to keep deceiving, there are more and more people who will get trapped inside it, and uh, selling is happening at every higher level. So we be very 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 careful. That's what I can actually see at this point of time. And from the commodity part, you can see that gold, silver have started giving the corrective moods. Even the crude oil is actually in the correction mode, and this is going to continue, and this is going to persist in a quite a good way in the coming days. So be aware, the correction is due, and the correction is going to come very soon, and it is going to be very ugly in the coming days. So be very careful about all the stocks. So the strategy will be best is to if you are actually having any longs, get away from it. If you are having shorts, it's ideal to build more shorts, and maximum upside is 12,100. I had told you earlier also. So hardly around another 200 points is the upside, which at this point of time it is more unlikely. Already what I see is already the upside which had to come is already there in the market. Even then, even if it is coming, I don't see it is going to sustain there. So that is something which you have to understand. And from here there's a good amount of downside which is possible. Now today probably, according to me, we may see a gap down opening in case of US and European markets, and if that is going to happen, that is going to confirm, and that is going to aggravate the kind of sell off which can happen in the market, because that shows that probably the bill which is going to get passed tomorrow, that is on Wednesday night, may not even get passed, which is hardly for $300 billion, whereas the original bill was around $2 trillion. So there's a big disparity in what actually was the original bill to what is the new bill which is there, and it is only an eyewash they are trying to do, and even then that may not get passed. So that's going to be quite a bit negative for the market, because what every other economist is trying to feel, and all the federal government, FOMC, everybody is talking, is they need the stimulus. So until the election is over, I don't see that is happening, and if that is not happening, then probably it's quite difficult for a lot of companies to sustain. And if the fresh lockdowns are going to happen, see the fresh lockdowns, London, the European markets have been actually in a state of burst because of that, and if that is going to happen, that is going to create a panic across pan world. Because once see what you need to also understand is, though virus spreading has actually come down a bit, this is a period where it can peak up, and that is going to actually already a warning sign. What actually yesterday one of the reports are saying is, by February half of Indian population will be affected by coronavirus. Half of Indian population, guys, understand the gravity of the situation. This is as per the prediction. So in this case, see right now, with look at the panic level at which it could happen, if it happens or not, but the panic is definitely there, and the panic is going to create a lot of sell. So guys, the best advice is to, if you don't want to do anything, don't do anything, but don't go long in the market, don't buy anything at this point of time, stay away from the market. That is what I could say. I'll be doing a futures options basic training today. It may happen somewhere after the market hours, so I'll be notifying it to you. Probably it may happen somewhere around 3:30 itself. I'll actually notify you on Telegram. go ahead and click on the subscribe button of the YouTube channel. If you have not done, click on the like button so that you like this video, and hit on the bell icon so that you will get all the notification. And this will be happening live in the YouTube as well as in my Telegram channel. Crazy Money with Sri is the Telegram channel. Go and join there so you will get all the latest notifications. So I'll be doing this new program, and you will get all this latest updates. I'll be doing a lot more initiatives in the coming days, so stay tuned on this channel so that you will get everything there. Thank you very much. Have a great day.